Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. Recently I posted a video on how to get the OnePlus Power Bank for 561 rupees. Unfortunately the deal is over, but guess what? The shipment has arrived and today I will be sharing the unboxing experience of the OnePlus Power Bank. And trust me guys, this is no ordinary power bank unboxing as OnePlus has done some things to really impress me. Before getting started, let's take a look at what makes this OnePlus Power Bank special. This power bank has the capability to do 18 watt speedy fast charging. So not just with OnePlus devices, this power bank can fast charge any smartphone up to 18 watts if that particular model supports power delivery. And this applies even to the power bank. You can charge the power bank from 0 to 100% in 3 hours 40 minutes with a PD fast charger. Though not the fastest, it is a lot better than what a normal 5 watt charger would do so. Starting with the unboxing, this is the retail box that you will get. Up front we have the branding, power bank capacity and the color. The color combination of this package is the usual deal with OnePlus, which means red and white. We also have an illustration of the power bank on the front side of the package. On the back we have the 4 major features listed out, which includes dual USB output, 2-in-1 charging cable, low current mode and 12 layers of safety protection. Then we have the price below, quoted as 1299 rupees, but as I said earlier, I got it for 561 rupees. I'll leave a card to the video, do check it out. Opening up the box, we have the power bank itself, kept inside a neat little cover. Let's take it out and keep it aside for the time being. Now looking into the other contents, and this is where OnePlus has impressed. I'm pretty sure not many OEMs would put this much effort in packaging a power bank, unless for OnePlus. The packaging is done perfectly and the attention to detail from OnePlus makes them really unique, stand out from the crowd. We have the Let's Get Started guide followed by the Red Cable Club card. This has now become a thing with OnePlus in India, bundling the card with all of their products. I also got the exact same Red Cable Club card even with my OnePlus Bud Z. Next up we have the 2-in-1 charging cable, which has an inbuilt adapter so that you can use the cable to charge devices with either micro USB or Type-C. This is a clean little thought and thanks to OnePlus for doing this. And that's it for the box contents. Now let's keep it all aside and take a look at the power bank itself. Taking it off from its sleeve and instantly the carbon fiber finish feels quite nice to hold. The power bank has a good heft and grip thanks to the carbon fiber pattern. We have the Never Settle font to the front, but I feel like it's a bit overdone to put the text so big on the front. Other than that, it's pretty much usual stuff. There are 4 dots on the front to indicate the battery percent left in the power bank. You get the OnePlus logo and other details on the back, but because of the carbon fiber finish, they are a little bit difficult to read. We have the power button to the right and nothing to the left. Up top, we have 2 USB outputs to charge the devices and 1 USB Type-C input port to charge the power bank. Nothing on the bottom too, and that pretty much sums up the unboxing experience. That's all for this short unboxing video guys. I'll be checking how the OnePlus Power Bank performs and will let you all know. Until then, stay subscribed to the channel for more videos.